Good morning, you guys. Yeah, it's Friday. Happy Friday, you guys. Yo, right now it's 9:15, y'all. I know this is the worst time to come to start work because around 9, 10, 11 is the slowest time to work for Spark. But I'm here, y'all. I am here. In the morning, I had to take care of things at my kids' school, so I'm done with it. So I am here right now. I am waiting for my first order. Let's see how long it's gonna take for me to get my first order. Right now is 9:20, so let's sit here and wait. This is the order that I got, y'all. $43.34, going for 31 mayo. 0.8, and it's 16 drop off. Decline. Let me even reject it so they don't bring it back on my screen. Voila. Yo, it's been 2 hours. 2 hours without receiving a good offer. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go home since we're still at those slow hours. So I'm deciding to just go home and come try again around 2. Let me tell you about this, you guys. I have another YouTube channel. I said this in my beginning of this channel. When I created this channel, I said this is going to be my second channel. So I have my main channel, which I do cleaning videos. So I'm going home to create a content for my other YouTube channel, which I do only cleaning videos. If you are interested in seeing me doing cleaning videos, you are welcome to go to my other channel and support me. This is the name of my YouTube channel, you guys, Bukuru German. Just tap Bukuru German, and I'm also gonna leave a link below in my description for my other YouTube channel. All I do over there is cleaning video, y'all. Cleaning a video. Go support me. So I'm going home. I'm going to clean my house, and around 2 I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back, yo, and see what I can do today, because it seems today is dead. So anyway, let's not waste no time. So I'm about to go in Walmart real quick and grab stuff, like small stuff, and go home. So I'll see you guys later when I come back. While I was in a store, they give me an order. I was like, I need to take this. $14 to Mayo, and it's a shopping order plus a pharmacy pickup. So somebody told me in a comment yesterday, you guys, in a video that I put out yesterday, every time that you get a pharmacy order, you have to take a picture before you start picking up and after you drop it off. You gotta take a picture of yourself. Okay, so that's what happened yesterday. All right, you guys, let's go shop this order. I just finished taking a picture. So now let's go pick up this order.
Please. What's the last name?
No, I have a Spark order.
Spark order?
Yeah.
What's your number?
2488. Okay, I got my order, you guys. Now let's go shop for my item. I have to go shop for 9 items, yeah. Let's go shop for 9 items. We just got our second order, $11, going 1.9 mile. And it's a shopping order, and we're going to shop for 8 items. So let's go. Hey y'all, I am back. It's 2:40 right now, and I just received this order, $28, and it's going 11.8 mile, and it's 3 drop off. So, and the pickup time is 2:50, y'all. So let's wait for 2:50 and go get the order. I hope it's gonna be ready by the time I start my trip. Hey guys, quick question for you. Do you know how in the morning you are super slow? And let me ask you this question. How long can you wait before you decide to go home? Can you wait for an order before you decide to take off and be like, okay, I'm done, let me just go home? Like, how long? Let me know, y'all. Let me know down in the comment. Like, on slow day, how long can you wait for an order before you decide to go home? Is it 1 hour? If they don't give you an order in 1 hour, be like, okay, let me go home. Is it 2 hours? Can you go 3 hours? Can you go 4 hours without an order and just keep waiting? Yo, comment down below. Because for me, I think I can do maybe 3 hours. I can wait 3 hours. If I really need money like that, I'ma be here. I'ma be here in a parking lot sitting, y'all. So please comment down below and let me know how long you can go without an order. Okay, y'all, let's go drop this order. Let's go drop this first order. Okay, y'all, let's drop this other, my second drop off. All right, y'all, my last drop off, third drop off. Let's go. Just received another order, you guys. $22, going 6 mile. It's only 3 drop off. So let's go take y'all. Let's go take this order. $12 for 81 cents. Going 2 mile. Let's see how many items. 20 items? Nope, I'm not taking that. I am not taking that. Let's wait for another one. Another order, you guys. $14 for 5.7 mile, but I'm going to shop for 2 people. 2 drop off. I'm not doing that. I don't care how many items each one have, but I'm not doing that for 2 people. If it was 1 drop off, I would take it, about 2 people. Just received another order, $20. Let me go check how many items. Let me go check how many items, y'all. Yay, it's 11 items. Yo, we're going to shop for only 11 items. So $20, 3.1 mile, and shopping order. So let's accept this. And let's go shopping, y'all. Let's go shopping. So you guys, right now it's 5:02. 5:02. Let's go shop for this order, y'all. 5:02. I'm stay here. I need to go home when I make at least $100. That's when I wanna go home. If I don't have $100, you guys, I'm not gonna go home. We're gonna stay on the road. How about that? I'm staying on the road. All done. Let's go at checkout. Y'all. Ooh, big order, $29. It's going 7.6 mile and 3 drop off. Yeah, our pickup time is 5:55. Big order. Yo, they finished loading everything. If I tell you guys everything is a big orders, you won't believe it. Like the back, it's all full of items. Whew. Let's see if this gonna be our last one. Let's see. So okay, let's go, y'all. Let's see how long it's our first drop off. I haven't even scanned. So for those that don't know how we do this, I'm going to scan all these stickers before I start going. These stickers represent all the orders that they packed in my car, each order. So complete pickup. We got 5 minutes. Let's go. Yo, look at this. My last drop off. Oh, it's a lot. It's a lot. Like all my deliveries for this order, it was a lot of items. My first one had a lot of items. Second one had a lot of items, and this one's the last one. So let's go. Hey y'all, it's time to go home. It's 7 o'clock right now, so your girl is going home. I'm ending my shift over here. Today was not a good day to work, but hey, gotta do what we gotta do. Gotta be on the road. So you guys, all together I made 118. 118, that's how much we made today. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know how was your day today. It's Friday. I was expecting to be busy today, you know. I thought it was gonna be too busy today because it's Friday, but it was the slowest day as normal. Don't forget to go support my other channel, you guys. It's a Bakura German. Go support my other channel, cleaning videos, and sometimes I'm gonna be doing vlogs too. So bye bye.